Hey y'all, i7iii here, and I'm going to show you within this video how to use the custom menu within the a7iii. Now this has been a super useful feature because what it's enabled me to do is put certain things that I frequently use in one page where I don't have to scroll through all the menu options. And this is one of the huge improvements, one of the many major improvements that a7iii's brought to the table. So when you press menu button on the back of your a7iii, just scroll all the way to the right where it says the little star icon. And this is the menu that I've got, and these are the settings I've added. I've added APS-C Super 35 if I want to switch between full frame and APS-C mode. I've added control with smartphone. Check out my other video that explains that. Check the link within this video's description. But what that can do is enable your a7iii to pair with a smartphone, and that's important, especially if you're doing face-on video segments without a film crew, because the LCD on the back of the a7iii does not flip forward. I have format so I can erase my my memory cards. The a7iii obviously has support for 2 cards, which is a cool feature. I've got silent shooting, and that's not available in auto mode. It's just warning me about that. But that's cool to have if you're in a situation where you need to shoot something, snap some stills, and you don't want to make a lot of noise. Focus area, that's another option that I like to have quick access to. Most of the time I'm shooting on wide, but this enables me this provides me with the ability to go in and change that. So I'm just going to put it back on wide where I had it. And then touch operation on or off. I like to have this because in certain situations, if your nose is close to the LCD screen, it could potentially touch. So I like to turn that off. Now there are situations where I want to have touch capability for focusing, but in most scenarios I don't use it. So I keep it off unless I need it, and if I need it I just come in here and go to So that's my custom menu, and to add anything to it, if you want to create your own menu, just scroll to the far right and you can select add item. Pick any item you want. I'm just going to pick a random item here. So you can see there's 32 tabs of information, but I'll just do display quality. So I'll select it, and then when it'll take me to my menu, and because my page 1 is full, see, I've got all these, I'll scroll over to, I can have up to 5 pages. So I'll go to page 2, and then I just push the button, and that's the button in the middle of the little bottom right wheel type thing, the same button that's probably default for eye autofocus. And see, now if you go to my menu, now you'll see my menu 1, which I've got the options we just saw, and then my menu 2, which is display quality. So what I can do now is I can go into this. Say I want to take that away, so I would just go far to the right again, and I would select delete item, and then I would go to display quality, and I'll say delete item. So now that's out of my custom menu system. Super intuitive. That's been a gripe with Sony Alpha cameras in the past, is that they're great, but the menu system is kind of wonky. So the ability to have your custom menu and only feature the options that you frequently access for your needs is a huge improvement. So this is how to use it. Hope this video was of value. If it was, be sure to like, share with others. If you're looking for the Sony Alpha camera and or accessories, check the link within this video's description because I've got everything there. And if you want to support my channel, feel free to do that. I've got a link within this video's description where you can choose to support i7iii's Adventure channel. And if there's any tutorials that you'd like to see in the future, just ask, and I'll try to whip them up. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, i7iii here. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe, like, and share. It's viewers like you that enable my channel to continue to grow. Thank you.